Yo viewers, it is sometime early September, I forget the exact date. Summer is coming to a close, so I wanted to do a video of my outside lights. Because I don't think I showed this one in the previous video. I added this wall pack here. This is a Lithonia lighting wall pack. And I really gotta clean this camera lens. But I wish I had bought more of these, because when I bought this one, it was only like $13, I think. And then I went back and looked at, there we go, lens cleaned. I went back and looked at them recently, and they were like $40 or $50. It was more than triple what it was. If 13 was a steal, I don't know why they were so cheap at that particular time, but anyways, this light works great. I mean, you can see everything over here. And it goes very, very far on the sides, too. I thought it was going to be an issue with it only reflecting kind of out front, but it shoots off to the side and down, no problem. It looks great. So there's that one. That lights up all over here. All under here. Pretty good. Had some grapes under here this year, but they didn't really grow right. I don't know why. They grew more than they usually do, but they never seem to grow quite right. And then coming over here, we have these, which I already showed. These are all 70 watts each, high pressure sodium. We have these 70 watt bulb fixtures. And then this one over here, this 70 watt fixture. This isn't quite the right time to record this. I should have recorded it at dusk so that the auto exposure wouldn't be so far off. But it illuminates thoroughly out here, and you can see everything just fine. That's nice. I just swept up the leaves with the leaf blower under these lights, and I could see everything fine. And of course I got the pathway lights out. That's what I had originally back here before the high pressure sodium ones. But it looks really cool. Been wanting to put these out here for a while, because more recently, at least in this part of the world, the high pressure sodium is disappearing. And I don't see them around much anymore in the public. And they have such a distinct nostalgic glow. I wanted to have them in my yard. So here they are. Very happy with the way this project came out. A lot of times you envision a project and then you execute it and it doesn't come out quite as you had envisioned, you know, on paper, if you will. But this came out great. Very cool. So that's that. If I was going to be here long term, I would maybe put another one that shines up into the trees, maybe a metal halide one or something, but this is probably the last summer I'll be at this location. So I'm not going to put any more time into it. It's pretty cool the way it is anyways. It's adequate. You don't want to go overkill. So that's that. The high pressure sodium lights outside. Cooling season is almost over. We're approaching fall. It's is it the 6th maybe today? 6 or 7, somewhere around there. It's starting to get cold at night. It's in the 60s already tonight. Moderate temperatures in the day. Typical fall weather. About to start hunkering down for another winter. And of course, with the end of the cooling season, we're going to start doing more phone videos and less fan videos. There will still be fan videos, but it's going to be mostly phone videos in the next month or two. I haven't gotten too many phones this summer, but I got a lot of backlog from last year. This was a good summer for ceiling fans. Got a lot of cool ceiling fans this year. And it was a good year for air conditioners too. I got three good units. All at the beginning of the year. I haven't never seen any since. But 3 air cons is a good good find for this part of the world. People throw those things out like crazy. Not many left. So to get 3 in 1 year is pretty good, especially all nice models too. So that's kind of where we're at here. The world is kind of in shambles still. It's probably going to be for a while. Not much you can do about that. You just have to keep a good attitude and not get hysterical or irrational. Really all you can do for now. I was hoping to be out of here soon, but the war is not cooperating, so that's probably going to have to, well, it's going to have to wait until the spring. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but sometimes you just got to work with what life gives you. So that's it for this video. High pressure sodium whites and minor channel update as we move into the fall and the winter. We'll have Christmas videos coming up in the next 2 months approximately, maybe a little bit sooner. In years past I keep saying I'm going to do more of the setup videos, but I never seem to get around to it. This year I'm going to really try. I know I've said it before, but I'm going to really try to do some good video of the setup process, because it really is quite a production. So that's that. We'll have a few more fan videos. I got a couple, I think of like one very important ceiling fan video coming up soon. I'm going to try to get those 3 air conditioners cleaned up before the end of the year, maybe this month, in the next couple of weeks. I think it'll be a good way to kind of close out the cooling season for this year. But yeah, speaking of closing things out, I think it's time to close out this video because I'm tired and I'm losing my train of thought anyways. Okay, that's it. Over and out.